Hey guys, this is the elevator at Smith Springs Community Center and we're going to go up. Here it comes. Here it is. There's your blue lead. It's a ThyssenKrupp. Just like the State Museum, the one at the New State Museum. Here's the blue padding. They put padding on the wall. You can see. Let's go up to 2. Let's listen to the motor and watch the numbers going up. Where both works, I like that. Nice motor. Here we go. Here at 2. You can hear a machine room. The button already went out. So go. Come on, we're here. Just ring the bell. Watch it go. There it goes. And that's it.